I am an English tutor. I am teaching English grammar. I did not go there. I did my homework sincerely. I have won the race. I have a car. After keenly observing the sentences, I am damn sure you will find the presence of be, do and have verbs in these sentences. What do you think of these words in English? Aren't they primary auxiliaries? Of course, few of them are primary auxiliaries, not all. Only the verbs in second, third, and fifth sentences are auxiliary verbs, the others being main verbs. Friends, we will understand this within a few minutes. Hello friends. Welcome to PS Shinday's Unique English Easy Way YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn the complete functions of primary auxiliaries in English. English language has three primary auxiliaries: be, do, and have. As auxiliaries, they don't have any meaning on their own. Nobody can explain the meaning of am in I am teaching English grammar, do in I did not go there, and have in I have won the race. Nonetheless, these auxiliaries tell us something about the verb phrase, such as time reference. Only due to the presence of be in I am teaching English grammar, we will say the tense is 100% present continuous tense. Do in I did not go there clearly reflects the simple past tense. Similarly, due to the appearance of have auxiliary in I have won the race, we can identify the tense as the present perfect tense. Conversely, their counterparts be, do, and have look alike but do not function like primary auxiliaries. The following examples will make things clear. You have a car. He is a doctor. She did her homework yesterday. In these examples, have, be, and do are not auxiliaries. They are the main verbs. In the sentence you have a car, have refers to possession, in he is a doctor, be functions as a linking verb, meaning it is the main verb. Lastly, do also is the main verb. A synonym for do is perform or execute. Whenever we see be, do and have in sentences, we should check whether they function as auxiliaries or as main verbs. Today we'll learn how to use these primary auxiliaries without any mistakes concerning their counterparts. Let's know all the forms of be, do, and have auxiliaries first. There are 8 forms of be. Be, is, am, are, was, were, being and been. 3 auxiliary forms of do are do, does, and did. Doing and done cannot be used as auxiliaries, hence not listed here. And the auxiliary forms of have are have, has and had. These 3 primary auxiliaries make 14 auxiliaries in total. Now I'll conduct a short test. Try to get your answers within 6 seconds for each question. Even if you cannot answer all the questions correctly, it doesn't matter. Repeat this exercise. You'll notice how you can master primary auxiliaries and main verbs effortlessly. Please identify whether the be, do and have used in the sentences are main verbs or primary auxiliaries. I will give you 6 seconds to answer each question. After 6 seconds, you will get each answer on the screen. They had a villa long back. Have is the main verb. Have here means possess. Rita is dancing. Be is functioning as an auxiliary verb here. It has no semantic meaning on its own. It just shows the time reference. The tense here is present continuous. He has a long mustache. Here, the main verb is have. It contains a piece of content information. Raju does his job very tactfully. Do here is the main verb. Do means to execute or to perform. Rita did not go to school yesterday. Do here is an auxiliary. It shows tense of the sentence is simple past. Rita was dancing on the stage. Here the auxiliary is be. It shows the progressive time reference of Rita's dance. The tense is past continuous. Rita does not like homework. You can see the use of do auxiliary forming this negative statement. The tense is simple present. You are reading a historical story. The be auxiliary shows the continuous tense. They were the worst people. Be is functioning as the main verb here. The be verb links they and the worst people and makes both the same. The linking verbs act as the main verb of sentences, so here be is the main verb. Dear friends, I hope you have understood how the be, do and have function like auxiliaries and main verbs in sentences. You can repeat this video or pause at any step to clear anything out of it. Still, there might be a few doubts concerning the primary auxiliaries in English language. Please feel free to raise them in the comment box below. Please subscribe to my channel to receive similar videos as soon as I publish them on YouTube. See you shortly in the upcoming video. Until then, take care. Namaste.